Okay, so now I should have audio that works. Alrighty, so yeah, let's close this or minimize that, which you couldn't see anyways. That was OBS. And now, why did that one just get lost? My computer, this computer is really struggling with its devices right now. And admittedly, I do have a lot of devices attached to it, but it's nothing that should be too difficult, I think. Okay, so we'll have 3. 3's all I need. We can live with 3. Anyways, so what are we doing? Hello. We are recording. We're going to try to record a quick calibration and treadmill walking session. I'm kind of reviving this space in my house to be able to do mocap-y stuff. I'm running out of time for the day because this is not tenable. Can I even do it? I think I still have like a little bit of time. I guess I can block the window. But that's more time than I really want to spend on this right now because I'm really just getting test data. So let's work on it. So this is new SkellyCam. It's old SkellyCam, old SkellyCam's front with new SkellyCam's back. Does a lot of stuff. Okay, let's see. So I think so. Clockwise, counterclockwise. I think. This recommended thing is fun. It will auto detect the exposure that yeah, it auto detects the exposure that will make the average pixel luminance half of 225, and then it drops it 1 level below that, which puts it at a pretty good space for motion capture. Not a lot of blur. You can see in the bottom left one. This front end is just the old one, but it's got a nice back end attached to it. A new back end that does more stuff. Blah, 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 blah. Focus on what you're doing. Oh, also theoretically records audio now. Theoretically. Can you record from the same audio twice? Let's do from that one. So we don't test it. I don't feel like testing that right now. Okay, first thing I'm going to do. So basically what I'm going to be doing is recording the videos with the new SkellyCam. And then, don't get excited. Just exposing this is my mocap clothing. Exposing major joints and whatnot. And keeping things not baggy. Okay, quick. So yeah, I'm recording them with freemocap, and then with this SkellyCam, which is the one on the John development branch, and then I will drop the recordings into freemocap and process it from there, and then testy, blah, blah, blah. Okay, but let's hurry because running until when this light hits the center of the space, it no longer becomes, it's already too bright. That sun, man. I tell you. Okay. Well, I have this. It's like a blackout curtain thing I can put up there. I think it will be fine if I do that. I'm gonna go get I gotta get a stool. But you can probably still hear me because I'm on this mic. Alrighty. Yeah. Da-da-da. Is that right? That seems backwards. That goes up. That goes back. This is backwards. But that's fine. It should be opaque from either direction. And this actually, I could probably shine a light on that, but I have enough light. Oh, I don't, but that's okay. Excuse me while I lick something. Puh. Something dusty. over here, buddy. It's a little 2-axis gimbal. I really could have just gotten something moist. I don't have to lick a bunch of dusty suction cups. Alrighty. But also, let's get the dang thing done. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah. Oh, God in heaven. Christ in space, God in heaven. Maybe it was the other way around. Okay. Well, it's much darker, but I think I can just restart it and it will redo that auto detection. I guess I could probably, I could do a lot of things. I don't trust the inner guts of how it starts in there. So we're on the John development branch of SkellyCam here, and it's this is where all the work has gone. Hey, focus. Blah de da. There's like a fast API server, and it's the whole method for interacting with the cameras has just gotten super, way more sophisticated, I would say, or insane. Could be both. Hard to say, but yeah. Okay, how we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Yeah, see, that's the part where it's detecting the blah blah blah, the blah 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 blah, and it detects it, and then this is the one where the mean luminance is 127, which is half of 255, and then it drops it one level below. And then this, I found out this number is what is it, like 1 over seconds, this 1 over 2 to that power, I think is how many seconds the sort of exposure, whatever, is open. That looks good. Is that? It's a little blurry. It'll be fine. Do I have more light? Not available, except from the sun. I'm licking things. I'm showing you my armpits. This is terrible. I apologize to the world. Let's see. Nope, not that side. How about you? I mean, I can, that'll work. There's that washed out spot that I really want to avoid. That's, well, bottom left. That's not ideal. I could redo, but I think I can do better. Really, I just missed my window for the day, which is unfortunate. I was doing other stuff. Okay, secondary possibility. Who gives a shit? Great, good plan. Let's do this. What are we doing? Calibrating. You, how are you doing? You're doing great. Good job. Okay, let's point. Oh, hey, Jawa. This is SkellyCam. Okay, in case you, I'll fall. Video broadcast camera stuff. Okay, I gotta focus. This, nice to see you again. It's been a while. I haven't done this in a while. Okay, focus. Can't see chat. Doing work. Okay, step 1, point the cameras where they gotta go. Oh, and I'm going to do a calibration. I'm going to put the camera with the board ending on the floor so I can use that to orient stuff. Then I'm going to record like 30 seconds of me walking on the treadmill and then see how far we get with that. Okay. Boop-a-doo-boop-boop-a-doo. Da-da-da-doo. Oompa Loompa arms up dance. Yes. Okay, why am I here? I promised I wasn't going to look at chat, but I lied. Focus. Doop-a-doo. Alrighty. This is like some little cheapo treadmill under desk treadmill. That will do for the gait lab. As in a moment. Is that the plane I want that to be on? Oh, no, move this forward a little bit. Yeah, there we go. That'll do. Unless it is... Unless it's tilted, which it probably is. But that's fine. So my plan is to take that, because I'm refactoring the whole camera calibration stuff. And one of the main things is to like let it know where the ground is. So we're gonna just try this as like a start, because this will. I think we can do a lot better with a lot of different things, but this will do for now. And I'll set the ground plane to be that. That should be detected nicely in all the cameras. And if, oh, do I have, I've been doing all this construction-y stuff. Do I have a level? I do. Good old-fashioned bubble level. Are you flat? You are flat. I'm shocked. I doubted you. Treadmill. To my despair. Okay. Okay, so what are we doing? Well, we're not doing anything with that yet. We're gonna calibrate. Regular old calibration. Start recording. We're recording. How we doing? We all happy? What's this red? That's fine. It's Kodak something. Okay. Burning daylight. Well, actually, no. The daylight problem has been effectively solved. Except now we don't get the advantage of the bright sun. But that'll be fine. Because I think the main work we're doing here is the calibration and the ground plane stuff. I should have kept track which direction that was facing. I did not, but that's okay, because I will be using only the last frame of the recording, which means I don't want to block it. Okay. God. Neuroscience is hard. And it's cold in my house, so back to the robe. Thank you very much. Okay, cool. So that theoretically, I could probably do that more efficiently. Yeah. Oh, hey, buddy. Right here. That's fine. Who cares? Unfortunately, I do. Fuck it. Wait, but in which direction? What time is it? 12:01. Okay, so we're not really on the clock anymore because I blocked the light. I guess I could turn these lights on. That wouldn't hurt. I need to get more lights in my life in general, but this will do for now. Otherwise, I'd have to wait for, like, ideal time for me to do this is like 11ish in the morning, because that's when I get the advantage of the bright sun, but I don't have that like bright spot there. Similarly in the afternoon, when the bright spot has translated to the other side, but we'll be okay. All right, I'm gonna just do another recording because we're not we're not feeling precious about anything. But the other thing I said I was gonna do is mark the directionality of the board. So let me go find some tape to do that. I don't even know if you can hear me from there. I got too much stuff. Okay, there we go. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, you will line up with you. Okay, there you go. And I guess while we're at it, hypothetical consistency. Alrighty. Alright, I like that. Alright. And you don't need to see my body, so you're not going to, because this is a calibration and it's cold. How we feeling? How we feeling? We're feeling okay. 720p, which is what we want. And go. Now we do regular old calibration dance. Look at it, guys. A known object of known shape and size. Easy to track. And okay, now you're all lined up. And now I gotta do this fun little game of trying not to block it while I turn off the recording. And that should do, I hope. Okay. All right, and then the last one's what I'm actually concerned about. Is this, yeah, perfect. I make a better window than a door. Okay. Boop, boop, boo. Great. Let's move it now so I don't forget which one I'm dealing with. Okay, so that one's in home/SkellyCam data. Recordings. It's that one. Let's call that one Cal 0. Just rename it. No, it's going to get mad. Yeah. If you say it fast enough, it doesn't count. Okay. Copy over there. It's mad because it's still being grabbed by the Skelly, by the app, SkellyCam app. Cal 0. Great. Am I saving time? Calibration 0. Regex friendly. Dot calibration. Dot 0. Okay. Ah, fuck, I didn't rotate the goddamn videos. Blah. Okay, we can do that. Let's see. Clockwise. Okay, no, so clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise. Okay. And the exposure that it's showing is not accurate. That's the default. It's doing the recommended thing, and it does it. I think it does it every time I click apply, which it does do that, which is a little bit of a bug. But it's actually kind of, I don't mind it as a behavior. So the idea is to sort of like, I'm using this front end as just kind of like an easy way to hit the back end, and then we're building a new front end. Let's see, so it'll be localhost 8006? Huh? There you go. Look. Behold. I'm so fancy now. And I could even do this sloppy nonsense. Oh, did I not? Oh, I gave it because everything has that prepend Skelly cam to denote its sub-Skelly repo source. Yep. And I am redoing the calibration because I didn't rotate it, and I honestly can't remember if that matters for this case. So we'll do it right. All right, so we're recording again. Here we go. Hello. Hello. Boop, 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 doop, boop, doo. Here you go. Look at these calibration marks. A Ruco marker and a checkerboard pattern. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. We also need to switch to the new style of calibration board, which is just a 3x5 instead of a, what is that, 5x7? Because then you can print it bigger for the same space. Oh, right, I gotta do this. Okay, here we go. And down. And 1, 2, 3. How'd we do? Oh, are they pointed in the right direction? They're not. God damn, I didn't do that part. Okay. It's an iterative process, you see. It's an iterative process. Everything. Okay. Center. Center. How do you feel about that? Okay, well, you're not going to see all my hands, but I think that one never did. You could see that. You need to see less of the whiteboard. You need to see, I'll do one at a time, less of the whiteboard. How about now? Sure. How about you? That's fine. Okay. I would love to be recording for more videos right now, but there's something weird going on. I'm pretty sure it's a hardware level thing because I don't think it's software because I've definitely run more cameras than this. I think that's my other one. I hope that's not a sensitive thing. I don't think it is. Okay. I think that's from the other one. Calibration. We're still calibrating. Boop-a-doo. Let's leave it there because we're going to use last frame for the floor ground plane. And might as well just keep it out of frame when we start. How do we feel about this? We feel okay about this. We feel fine enough about this. Let's go. Okay. Da 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 da. Wop wop. Oh, that little spot of light is going to cause problems in the middle there, but I think it'll be okay. All right. Fuck. Okie dokie. Alrighty. Yeah. All right. Going under. And can I do this? Right, yes, I can. Thank you. And stop. Great. Great. Focus. I'm gonna leave you in there just as a testament to my shame. Calibration dot one. Okay. I guess let's go ahead and calibrate it now just for funsies. So this is freemocap. This is main branch freemocap, which is, you know, doing its thing. Soon to be, well, we're in the process of writing the 2.0 architecture, of which Skelly Cam is like a progenitor. And also, there's a bunch of John/development branches and a bunch in Skelly Cam, Skelly Tracker, and freemocap main, and I think the Blender add-on too, which all represent sort of varying stages of like the next big thing. You can run freemocap, right? Don't be, yeah. It's just so old. It's just so old. It's okay. It will be improved. We're working on it. Come on, regular Skelly. This is Skelly Cam. This is freemocap. See, because there's a camera. And this one, if I click this, that would invoke the current Skelly Cam main branch, but we're not doing that. We're just going here, and we're going up one, close U, and this is the guy. Right click him, set active recording, and process data, and calibrate from active recording, and run calibration. It's not my favorite workflow, but it does work. And then it does 1300 frames because I was inefficient with my movements, but that's okay. That should run just fine, and Skelly Cam's still chugging along like a champ in the background. You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to leave that calibration board there on that first frame, and then I'll move it, and then I'll go walk on it. Yeah. Right? I guess I'll check on chat, right? I can check on chat. Okay. Oh, Jawa. Yeah, that red is obnoxious. Hey, laser fire pick. Unless, oh, there's a lot of talking. 420 exposed joints. Gee. Record, put it up because capture animation. Yeah. Oh yeah, that you just showed up for that one. That was the start. Oh my God. Let me hold on. Let me just. This is going to be confusing for all involved unless I should just be honest with myself. There you go. Ah. Ad starts in 2 minutes. Can I snooze? I would love to not have an ad ever again in anybody's life. 5 minutes? Jesus. Blah, blah, blah. Where are we at? Something, something, blah, blah, blah. Walking pad, Oopa Loopa. Yeah. The sloppy calibration. Or what's the word? Cheapo underdesk treadmill thing. I should not wait for that calibration, but I'll just keep up here. Some ideas. Like also white out, marked out like a clapboard. Yeah, for the audio sync, that would be good. Yeah, and that is the old Taruko board. Then the red is probably pretty brutal because I think it's literally just straight up like RGB 100 25500. Figure that out. Hand on mouse. Yes, that's probably yes. Anytime someone has to hide from a camera while also controlling the computer that's attached to that camera, it's going to be funny. Now this part I love. Is there a model that could just be like tell you blah 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 blah? And I think the answer is like 1,000% yes. Like probably the last time I was on Twitch, I think was like before the current AI situation, and I would have been like that might be hard. But now I'm like, nah, that'd be super easy. And I'm kind of thinking about that. It's like in the back of my mind. I don't want to be too like AI heavy in freemocap. But I am building AI tools for like the classes I teach. Skellybot, freemocap/Skellybot. Check them out. It's 5 semesters deep. And so I've been using AI to like help teach undergrads what the brain is, and someday it will help like answer questions on the Discord server, and then yeah, do the thing you're saying of like just have like it doesn't have to be like one of the big ones. I think we could bundle like an Olama local model thing, and probably out of the box it could do the task of like, you know, just giving advice of like, oh, this camera's too dark, this person's not in frame. But definitely we could like fine tune something. I think that's a little more beyond, that's a bit beyond my particular depth at the moment, but this bot helped me build this bot. And also, hi, Laser Fire Pick. Thank you for saying amazing. I appreciate that. But yeah, I think that the AI thing could really, it's really a boon for open source stuff if we can leverage it appropriately. Okay, now I'm like in a sunk cost situation where I don't want to kill that, but I guess let me look at what I did. How long do we think it is? Does it tell me how long it took? It says 2 minutes. It can wait 2 minutes. How do I feel about stuff? I feel okay about stuff. I try to feel okay. Yeah, and because I want these. There's other stuff I could show you, but I don't really feel I don't feel like setting it up right now, because I need to keep my eyes on the prize, which is treadmill data, which I have. I got a little bit of it yesterday. Why didn't I like that? Oh, because it was too long. To be like, it was cumbersome to work with because it was just long, and oh, and I wanted to start playing with the ground plane estimation stuff. Also, the annotated video didn't show up, which I think is probably like I think Blender started bundling the images as plane add-on with their core software. So I think that means that our method for putting the images as planes in the scene probably also borked as a result. So that should be a relatively easy fix. And I just need I need a good test data set to work with on that. And the one I recorded yesterday, which is the one that is like currently attempting to load, was too long. It's cumbersome. It's like 13,000 frames or something like that. Oh, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. But nope, you're gonna lose. Oh, there you go. Okay, so we're calibrating. Blah 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 blah. So there I go. I walk back. And treadmill. It's pretty good. It's not terrible for 3-camera system. I realized that the skull is also, so it's all borked out on the side, which I can easily, let's see, grab that, rotate around Y. Yeah. Sure. And then hide again. You also hide. Yeah, it's not bad. Pink ball is center of mass. I realized that the skull here is not aligned with the face at all. It's like the nose is pointing out the mouth. But that's okay. Hide. This guy is looking pretty good. Look at this. Look at this fella. Empty. Mr. Pointy. With his horrible hands. Oh, geez. And there is I'm speaking here, it turns out. Taking a long stroll. Okay, focus. Don't save. Oh, save, because that's not even the working version. Okay, so theoretically, we have the calibration now, which was not at all a necessity before doing this recording. I didn't need to shut that down. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, okay. Now we're good. All right, we're going to do another recording. And we're going to, this time, we're going to make the Who's It visible at the start of the image, just in case I need it. I don't know if I will. Okay. And I'm going to walk for, I want to keep it quick, so I'm going to say 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 steps per second. That's 60 steps. Walk for a minute, 120. This is the part where it would be good if I had something. Something should tell me how long the recording's been going on. Instead, it's just like neon red. And am I recording audio? Well, I'm recording this audio. So that's good, at least. Dismiss. Dismiss. I should have checked if and clip that out. Can I record from the same mic in 2 sources? Let's find out. I think I've done it before. I think it doesn't mind. Okay, now another under desk shot. Have that there. Click record. Oh, wait, start recording. Let that run. Hit the timer. Walk for 60 seconds. Come hit stop, and I don't have to be fancy about the stop because we're starting it at the beginning. This is also, I'm gonna lose track of my. My screen is gonna go to sleep if I do that. Alrighty. Auto off in 5 minutes. Okay. All right. And we duck. Oh wait, we can do. There we go. Okay. And oh Jesus. Oh, I need this too. This. I need that. It's the treadmill controller. Oh, do I gotta turn it? Oh, I do. I turn it on. Okay. There's always so many things to do. It's too many things. And 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, now go. Alrighty, great. That should be enough, one would hope. Don't mind the stains on my butt. They are not relevant to the current conversation. Alright, here's my body, should you be interested in such things. And let's start walking. Oh, timer, fuck. Oop, it's okay, I can handle that. Okay, I believe those numbers are miles per hour. So that's 2.4, 2.6, 3 miles per hour, it claims. I don't think it can go all that much faster. That stripe of light is gonna be problems. Oop. Okay. And there's that little bit of, what's it called? Belt slippage. really, I'm only going to do this like during the day when I know my downstairs neighbors aren't home, or when I think my downstairs neighbors aren't home. Because Lord only knows, I'm just deeply vacuuming one area. All right, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hooray! Come on, come on. I guess I could just stop it too. And stop. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Right. I need to move you before I can change your name because you're active over here for whatever reason. Here? Yes. Pull you in. Copy. F2. And then say dot mocap dot treadmill dot O. Great. Okay. Should be done with SkellyCam for now, but I think I'll leave it on because I don't think it's going to eat too many resources. I guess I could check. I'll try that. I'll see how many. Well, freemocap proper is starting up. Okay. So many sub-processes. I gotta stop using. Python is fine, but it's definitely it's becoming a bottleneck. Okay. Let's see. Data viewer? No. Directory view. Show show whatever. This in. Right click them. Set as active. There we go. Process data. Use most recent. I can't believe you haven't fixed that bug. I can't believe you haven't fixed that bug. I think, can I just like, this code base is like so plateaued. Like it's where it's going to be. The 1.0 is where it's going to be. And it's just like, I don't have the available energy to really be adding. It's like, it's tech deaded out. So like 2.0, y'all. 2.0 by the summer. You heard it here first. Okay. Load most recent and run. Oh, there's something else I kind of want to change, but I think I'll be fine. I discovered that there's a setting in MediaPipe that does like segmentation, which I think does the job of the YOLO crop, but I think it's just faster and probably better. And it's literally just a setting. It's like a checkbox type of thing. So I could just change that in the code under the hood. But yeah. Okay, how long do we think this is going to take? So they're all running at the same time. 7 frames per second. Oh, this is where I can check. Okay, so we're getting 7 to 8 frames per second. I am not sure if that's times 3. I don't really know. This I'm kind of abusing this printout method. Pooh Bear, what are you doing? What are you doing? Here's a cat. I gotta hold you, but I gotta be careful of this microphone too, because hey. Hey. Okay. So if I shut down SkellyCam, will this number go up? It's like 6 to 8. Doink. Well, it was at 6 and it went to 8. Now it's 8 to 9. 10? Okay. 10? Oh, I should have checked that number too. That's probably... What, you want to go? You want to go? Okay, you can go. Let's go with me and you can go. Okay. 8. Okay, you get a little bit of a speed up. This little chunk right there is a representation of how much energy, or was it compute? Okay. Yeah, okay, so that's processing. It'll take some time. The most exciting thing about 2.0 is that it will have, to some degree or another, to some extent and capacity, real-time processing. So finally, all of you wonderful people who have been saying, asking, showing up all day, all night, asking, does it do real-time? Does it do real-time? No, but it will. 2.0, real-time. It was a lot, like the level of architecture change that needed to happen to be able to make it process in real time, like in the loop rather than after the fact, like it currently does, was significant. Yeah. Hey, mic on. There's the leg end. Good to see you. It's been a second. And yeah, Jawa, having a timer on the starter would super easy to do. I just got to do it. Red dot could set a timer on the record. Yeah. Non-committal exercise stream. I thought about that. It's been. I don't know. Ads. I'm sorry about ads. I wish they didn't. Do I wait? Does everybody see ads? I don't know how this works. I despise participation in such things. It's like there's a lot of settings of like how many ads, like you can, like there's a slider you can set, but it doesn't go to 0. So this is as few ads as I can give you. Yeah, sorry. I spent a lot of time talking about how much I hate the fact that I'm forced to give you ad breaks. I have the slider set as low as it can go, but it does not go to 0, I am sorry to say. But yeah, I don't know how long it's been since I've been on. I also don't know what I was talking about when the ad started. But it's been a long time, possibly over a year. But that's okay. We're getting back into it. I have been working continuously, mostly on SkellyCam and SkellyBot. So glad I have an extension to mute them because the blockers don't work. Oh. That's cool. Pooh, what are you doing? No. Cats, man. Cats doing cat things. Hey. Focus. All right, we're almost done here, and then it's going to do some other stuff, and then we'll see that. And what do we do after that? Yeah, I think I might take a break after that. I just wanted to literally like clicking the button just to try to get back into the habit. And I want to do more streaming and more development stuff so once this recording finishes, I need to transfer it to my other computer. Hey, and this should be fast. Yeah. That's the triangulation step. And yeah, once I transfer this over, then I can see if I can work on that. Let's see, work on that. What is that in this context? That is calibration, I think, is probably the first step. Oh, not first. I just want to play with it. I don't know. I think I could probably do that calibration thing pretty quickly, though. We would have to go through the new code. Oh, right, because that's really what I need to be doing. I need to be giving sort of I'm bringing people in to the new code. And particularly folks like Philip, who has been dutifully working on maintaining and sort of like the existing code base, like keeping it alive. And now that the new code is like kind of doing stuff, I need to give him some like roadmaps and stuff. I need to give the world roadmaps. I need to give him like an atlas, I guess. Everybody, it's everybody. So that's kind of part of my strategic thinking was, if I can just like record myself trying to understand and explain, like I understand it, but I trying to like map out and explain like the new code architecture, then I can put that online, and then that is both for Philip and also for the world. Because don't they deserve it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. All sorts of new stuff. Too much stuff, really. We're gonna be cleaning up. We're gonna be cleaning up everything. Everything. What did I even write in here? It's like, I really want, like 2.0 is gonna be like, not, I don't think it's gonna be like a fully from scratch refactor, but it's gonna be close. No, WebStorm, what are you doing? Because so much of this current code base is just like Rome on top of Rome, and it just needs to it needs to go to sleep. Do I not have VS Code on this computer? That seems unlikely. I mean, I did just, this is like a fresh install, so it's possible. VS Code, I thought I put it on though. Oh no, that was a different computer. I wipe a lot of computers in my life. While I'm here, hey, someone's discording me. Quick plug. Oh, I'm on Chrome, not Firefox, so that's okay. So GitHub. Sure. This is also the semester/year that I turned this into more of an open source, like an open thing. This is the AI bot that I've been using in my classes to help me like teach students, and it's been going really well. Like super, I'm figuring out a lot of like class structures and pedagogical strategies and whatnot that use AI in like a very, what's the word, augmentative way. And it's like it's pretty mature at this point. Like this is the 5th semester I've used it, and both the software and the course structure have like evolved iteratively 5 times, and I'm ready to share. Okay, what are we thinking about here? Why are we, have we done it? Are we, does it not? Got it. Did it go? Where's the Blender part? Ah, there's the Blender part. I don't know what that long delay was, but I can guess, and I'll fix it someday. Hey. Yeah, so no videos. Still no videos. Don't know why. Don't like that. Don't know why. Let's... because the videos are very important for a lot of things. We now export FBX and BVH, which is great. Love that. And annotated videos. Can I drag you in? Can that work? Love it. Yeah. So confirm that they added the images as plain as a default behavior, which rotate around Y. Oh wait, I can probably just do N, and rotations are all 0, and then it'll be like that. And then I say, let's see, 90 and 90, 90, nope, 90, I don't know what's going on here. Rotate around X, great. All right, walkie-walkie. There we go. Why is that video not playing? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That was me being under the desk. I don't know why this isn't playing. We'll figure that out. There we go. Oh, it's nice and oh, I guess the feet on the ground thing worked in that case. And I forgot to turn on the timer. And now we go back. And there we go. That's pretty good. And Andres made like a nice annotated visualizer and stuff like that. But it's not on this machine yet. Not on this blender on, so I'll just do this in the dumb way. Okay, so I've done this before. We're gonna say 30 frames before, 0 frames after. Calculate, yes, please do that. And we say display, turn off keyframes, turn off the numbers, turn on the custom color, and that is the right heel, which looks nice, really good. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, how about you? Same biz. Around, hey. Round frame. Before, 30, after, 0. Calculate, yes, the thing I said. Keyframes off, keyframes off. Custom color. Green, no, blue. Okay, so, yeah. Looking pretty good. A little bit of hiccups with the heels, but that's not really surprising because all 3 of the cameras were really like front on. I wanted to move them out, but like they're not hard mounted, but like it's this is set up to not block this sort of hallway area. So you get these little hiccups in the heel at the back of the run, but more or less that's walking, baby. That's how we do. Same biz for the center of math. Around the frame, same 30 before, 0 after, calculate, da-da-da, custom color. We had red and blue, this one can be green, great. Yeah, that's locomotion, baby. Okay. Let's turn off the empties. Let's turn the empties back on. Let's click on this empty, this empty. And I go here and I say graph editor. And we're gonna try to say normalize. Yeah, all right. And so, how do I do this? Okay, so there's all this stuff. Say 800 to 2600. And 800 to 2600. Way, go. Wah. A little before that. 850. Nice. And armature off. Okay. Did we do that thing? We did not. We should, but we didn't. 2.0. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's pretty good. That is not a bad gait lab for like an $80 treadmill and 3 $10 cameras. Nice. Okay, now, okay, funsy onesies. Now I want to do, make you visible. Okay. And let's put you here. And then we're going to turn on auto keying. And then over here, let's say that you'll be grabbing the Y. It's not far enough, right? Grabbing the Y. Oh. Oh, I see what happened. 0. Okay. And this last one's too far. Oh, where'd everybody go? Oh, those are just the key pass, or the motion pass. 40, let's say we walked, I don't know, how much, okay, so let's say I can do this. So, I was probably walking like 1 frame per second, 1 meter per second. So it's actually less than that. That's actually, it would be 60. If I was walking 1 meter per second, I would walk 60 meters in 1 minute. So, great. Oh, that's negative. Fine. Negative 60. Oh, where'd you go? Why are you going that direction, friend? That's the wrong way. Oh, I did something. I never know what I'm doing. Oh, I gotta turn this off, right? I'm gonna turn all you off, and then I'm gonna say, okay, so that, and I know how to do this. I say G, and I click. Hey. Okay, come on. There we go. There we got that. It's 0, 0. Great. And now, on this frame, I would like you grab in the Y to just be here. Save. I need to do that. All right. Let's see, negative 60. Negative 60 meters, we're trucking. And then in the motion paths, I think, still? I walked farther than 60 meters. What was I doing? I was going to update the motion paths, which live here. Update all paths. Okay. Let's say, oh, that's still 15. Did I not save it? Okay, so grab you. Grabbing the Y. Move it out there. Okay, great. Turn off the recorder, recalculate the motion paths, zoom in on the guy, and let's see how we do. Oh. Look at him go. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at him walk. It's not bad. It's not bad. And on the foot, please. Foot. Foot, 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 foot. See, this I could figure this out and make it the right speed by making, because like I can detect gait events pretty easily on a treadmill because heel strike is the zero crossing when the foot velocity goes negative. So I can do this easily. I'm just kind of fucking around right now. But that's pretty good. Look at him go. Skelly, you're a star. Why are you leaning back like that? Let's be rigid bodies, friend. I trust them more. You're still kind of leaning back, but that's okay. That's Google's fault. He's got places to be. All right, this is good. Can I make everybody longer? Yeah, like I want to do multiple steps, but I guess it's only 3. Okay, they're all getting in it. Oh, come on. Da 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 da, da 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 da. Oh shoot. Yeah, fine. Everybody's visible again. Hide. 1, a 2, a 3. Frame before, let's say 30 is 1 second, 180 is, if my math is correct, more than 1 second. Yeah, see, look at these little T-dubes. Update all paths, update all paths, update all paths. Is it just you? Man, buddy, get over yourself. Hide. 180. Boink. Okay, so I got to turn that one guy. Ugh, I really don't want to though. It's fine. Oh wait, what's you doing being blue, friend? You're on the right side. You look ridiculous. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Have some respect for yourself. I think I hid that one. Fine. I needed it anyway. Okay, Skelly, go away. Armature, go away. You, friend, you stick around and be in the blue space. Okay, and now you, dear, need to have gone. Don't need to do that. What is that? Is that a loop? That's what are you doing? Oh, that's wait. Ooh. Okay. Grab you, zoom in. You can go away. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. And then you can be a little farther out. Let's say that. Save. I didn't do that though. I don't know why. I don't understand. Okay, you. Grab in the Y. Go farther. Farther. Did I fuck this up? Probably. Okay. This is one of those cases where I don't know, I just don't feel like doing this right. You know those moments where you're just like, I don't want to do this right, I'm tired. Oh, did it work? Oh, because I was going slow at the beginning. This whole thing, it's like I can do this, what's the word? I can do this in the code. I don't have to eyeball this stuff. Okay, hide. Thank you. This is fake overground walking. Little hiccups, but they're fine. Look at you go. Look at you go. You're a skeleton on the move. Is it you? Is it you? Nope. Is it you? Skelly, where are you? Oh, I'll bet it is you. Ho ho. Look at this skeleton. Look at this magnificent stack of bones walking straight out the wall and plummeting 4 stories to the park below. That's pretty sick, though. I think that's pretty dang sick. That's pretty... I'm happy with that. Yeah. Okay. Camera. You know... Huh. Wait. Huh. Huh. Hey, buddy. Your new parent is... Oh. This guy. Okay. Right-click. Parent. Object? Yeah. And now, I'll make a whole other one... Wait, nope. Okay. Ho ho. And I grab you and I say, look, and probably be closer. Oh wait, I can do that with the who's it? The what's it? It's hard to say. Camera stuff, be a good camera stuff. And then I will rotate. Oh. Actually, I don't care about that. Okay. Yeah. That's what I'm talking. That's what I'm talking about. What do you do? Oh, okay, we do that. Skelly! You're a champion. Look at you go. Yeah, I know. Incredible work, buddy. Hardest working skeleton. Oh, I messed up. Dang it. Can I do this? Yeah. Hardest working skeleton in show business. Presumably. I haven't checked. I haven't asked anybody else, but I assume what I've seen him do is unbelievable. Alrighty. Graph editor. Zoom into the region that I care about. Let's get some wibble wobbles. Let's look at the wibble wobbles of locomotion. Normalize that stuff. I only care about the vertical. Normalize you. How does this... I don't even know what's going on here. We're looking only at Z, dear friendo. Normalize Z. Great. And does it follow the... Will it follow? I don't know if it will. Oop. Doop. Doop. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwahaha. Pin? Does that work? Oh, wow. Right heel. Only looking at the Z. Are you visible here? I don't even know where you are. Oh. Oh. Normalize? Do we normalize things still? Are we still in a normalizing mood? This is another one of those cases where I really need to be... This is something I know how to do this math, and I know how to chop up and display things in the ways which I prefer. But it does the job. I wonder what this little hiccup is. We'll find out as a group. I wish I had the camera up. Is it? And, oh, yeah, right, center of mass, because it's my whole body. I raise my hands, center of mass goes up. It is calculated per frame. And then this one over here, what would that be? I think I'm raising my, this is another like hand raise moment because that's mechanics, baby. Specifically, the bio type of mechanics. You might even call them biomechanics. I wouldn't, but you could. Oh dear, I've made a horrible mistake. That's fine. And countdown to hand raise in 3, 2, 1. Bring them up, buddy. Oh yeah, I did that thing. And I wanted to show off my hands. What are you doing? What am I doing? What are you doing? What's anyone doing? Blech. Oh, we don't need to see these empties no more. Oh, God in heaven. What happened? Oh, I turned off the tracks. That's fine. We should have got that point, right? The heel trajectories look like heel trajectories. If you know what those things look like. Skelly, you're the star of the show. You're the bones that we know. Hands up. Quick, put your hands up. Whew, that was close. Oh, dear. Okay, let's go. See. Skelly, get over here. Skelly. 5, 3. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. I feel good about this day so far. I think. I don't know, other stuff going on, but it's fine. What are we doing? Hey. Timeline. Oh, right, we wanted to have that little part here. Are we at 20? And hands up in 2400. 2, 4, oh, punch it. Let's see, 5, 4, 3. Oh, did I do that right? I did. I think I did it wrong in the real world, so that's fine too. 5, 4. I think I did do that wrong in the actual recording. If only this new system also recorded audio. Oh, we need to check that anyways, because I'm actually not 100% sure that it did. Why am I not? Oh my God, I got it. Okay, let's see. Folder options. Okay. Show extensions. Jesus. Show extensions for known types. Hide extensions for known types. What a ridiculous, what a kludge. Wave. Alrighty, great. Nice. That should be enough, one would hope. All right, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hooray. Come on. Do you do that? I don't know if that works. Oh, I think you got to do that in some like video editor timeline or something like that. Okay, Skelly. You're amazing. Way to be bones, buddy. All right, and that's the state of the Skelly 2025. Sorry I haven't looked at chat in a while. I'm going to do that now. Then I'm going to turn it off and go away. Away? Where am I? This guy. Yeah, fairly clean. Got to match your energy levels. Oh, I think that was probably when I was doing the normalization stuff. I got some idea how integration work for from skip. Yeah, yeah. So I would love to see your ideas. And it's one of those things. Like I feel like we've probably talked about it before, but like it's one of those things that's like it's always useful to hear what you wish the user interface was. It may or may not be in my capacity to do it. And it may or may not like align with the plans, but I think especially for the animation side and like the artistic side of the animation side, it's always good to hear those kind of like preferred workflows. So yeah, there's a new Skelly baby. The best place to share that's in the Discord server, or you just pump it here. I'll find it at some point. Because it's like oftentimes like what you might suggest just might not be like appropriate for the plans of what's going to happen on the user interface side. But if you share what's like, oh, I wish I could do this, that, and the other, and maybe it could be like this, maybe it could be like that, I can like take that into consideration and think about like the workflows that you're describing and how they could be folded into the system that we're building. Because yeah, it's always like for free software, it's kind of like available human labor is often the bottleneck. But sometimes there's like technical stuff. Whew. Cool. Yeah. Thanks for showing up, Nikon and Jawa. It's good to see y'all again. I'll do more of these recordings, which I'm pretty sure I say every time, and then I leave for like a year and a half. But this was fun and easy, and I think I need to be doing this stuff. I might shift it to like a more opportune time, but yeah, Mike. On the new Skelly is largely, I would say, very largely a gift from old Andres AJC, who's done really amazing stuff on the Blender add-on side, and is continuing to do more. And I wish I had his visualizer add-on stuff up when I was doing that, when I was playing around, because I think that would have made a lot of things easier. But you know, you kind of get, you are where you are when you're working on it. This is great, loving that. And I think I can clean up the feet because there's a lot of like rigid body enforcement in all the major joints, but there is not rigid body enforcement. Let's see, zoom in, friend. So let's see, so hide the mesh. So all of these are rigid bodies. They all have the exact same length, and it's sort of like you get the raw data, which is wiggly, and then you rigidify it using math. You basically just say like, you get the median length, and then you just like set it that everything is that length. And then the tricky part is you have to like translate the children of that limb to make it work. But notice that there's nothing connecting the heel to the toe here. And I could do something that makes that a rigid body too. It's a little bit, it's like a decision to be made there, because that part of the foot does flex, so it's not a rigid body. But I think relative to the errors that we're seeing, assuming that the foot is just like a rigid triangle will give better results than the current estimate, which is not doing that. So like all these little hiccups at the back of the gait cycle when the heel is coming up, I think would largely get squished, get removed, I guess. That's my other computer. Sync thing is great, by the way, if you're looking for like a free open source, like what's it called? Dropbox alternative. It uses like BitTorrent technology to like sync your files between multiple computers. It's great. Sync thing. And then on Windows, you got to use Sync Trezor. But this is one of my other computers that I have not approved yet. I'm going to make sure I verify that before I click the button, even though I'm pretty sure it's fine. I have it on my phone too. It like backs up all my phone stuff, which is nice. But yeah, I think if I just added like a heel to toe segment at the end either like heel to toe or toe to heel, and then just like put that in the same rigid body math, it would clean up a lot of the foot trajectories a lot. And you got to be careful with like loops because there's no loops in here. Like because the computation involves the concept of children. If there's a loop, then you get the loop. But I think it'll just be like ankle to toe and then toe to heel, and then toe to heel won't actually connect. And I think that I'm actually, how would I do that? Oh, I think I could just, yeah, I'll get rid of this segment. Wait, do I want to do that? I can figure it out. I bet there's a lot of ways to figure that out. I think I just gotta be clever. Maybe I'll like go in both directions and then take the mean of each one or some nonsense. Really what I want to do is like stop using media pipes so we have better freaking feet that have more than 2 points on them. But I think media pipe is unfortunately going to stick around for quite some time because it is just so good at what it does, which is to be fast and easy to install. Okay, cool. Fun stuff. Thanks for stopping in. I'll be back someday. And bye. And I think I'm going to try something unbelievable, which I'm actually going to try to like edit this video, and so I can make a post it something on YouTube that's a little more I'll be back someday. Yes, someday. I was looking around as if I could like find a top hat that I could put on. I have a lot of random stuff in my house, but I don't have a top hat, unfortunately. Yeah, Frosty the Snowman. There you go. Ta-da. But yeah, I'll post the raw stream just in case I never get to the editing part. But my intention is to find some way of editing these into like shorter form, more to the point videos. And I think Skellybot can help with that too. I've been doing a lot of work on that side of things. I now have like AI expertise, and you know the larger mission of the freemocap Foundation, which now exists as a IRS 501c3 federally recognized certified public charity, is to basically like all the new weird tech that's coming out, let's make sure it's available to everybody, and let's do that by making, free software around it. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so like the same is true for AI, and like we want to be integrating that technology in as much as we can while also, supporting the general moral vibe of this project, which is like privacy and user empowerment and stuff like that. So subtitle edit and then import the subtitle. Yeah, I actually have access to what's it called, Adobe Premiere, which has a lot of like nice subtitle-y stuff in it too. So yeah, I think it's not that hard to. I did it for one video and I was like, oh, this actually wasn't nearly as hard as I thought it would be. You just kind of like, you can get pretty far by just editing the subtitles as you said. And I think that would, Have ALM make new subtitle already cut. Yeah. That's the LLM stuff. That's the Skellybot side. But one of the lessons I've learned with like AI stuff is like, oh my God, I can make an AI do it. It's like, yes, or you could just do it yourself. And often those two things are like part of the same work cycle, because you can like doing the job manually tells you all the steps that you're trying to get automated, and then you kind of like automate away the most automatable parts of it. And I think the ability to just transcribe audio into a blob of text is a really important first step, and Skellybot does that. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Mwah. And I'll be back someday, like Frosty the Snowman. Okay, bye.